Epson EcoTank ET-4700 User's Choice. The EcoTank ET-4700 is yet another amazing choice, which is actually a user's choice on our list. It is a basic sublimation printer that does not come with a small cartridge. It has large ink tanks for the storage of ink. In order to print mugs, you would need a great supply of ink that sets easily on the mug that you can have with this printer. You will not have to worry about running out of ink, as this printer has got your back in mug printing. There are some amazing features of EcoTank ET-4700. Firstly, the Epson EcoTank ET-4700 is light in weight and can be carried around easily. You can move it around in the office or your home and set it anywhere suitable. It is made up of a high-grade material, which not only gives it a shiny and neat appearance, but also protects it from damage. This sublimation printer is easy to use and operate. It has a tilting panel on the LCD where you will see navigation keys. These navigation keys are easy to use and can carry out all necessary functions. Connect the smartphone device or your USB device, and then click on the Print Now option shown on the LCD to print your mug. This model of Epson has great sheet capacity as well, just like the others. It can hold up to 100 sheets easily and print on the mug in a small period of time. These sheet trays can be switched with bigger trays if you require more sheet space. 8.5 inches x 14 inches is the total printing size of this sublimation printer. It is fixed and limited. This could be a turnoff for many, as this bounds the users with only one option of prints. The images might be altered or stretched while printing on the mugs if they are not the perfect size. The Epson EcoTank ET-4700 also provides two categories of use. There is a wireless connectivity option and a wired connectivity option as well. You can connect through your smart devices, USB, SD card, etc., or you can use the wires to connect to your device and import pictures or designs. This printer will not only provide larger amounts of ink to help you print for a longer period of time, but also provides these services on a low price and budget. Mug printing is provided in high quality at cheaper rates with the Epson EcoTank ET-4700 printer. If you love it already, a link to shop this printer has been given in the video description.